Hi everyone, Paul down here at the CCRV. It's a crappy old day. As you can see, it's raining and everything. I'll just show you what's going on. I have got one unit here that I'm going to show you around. No need to sort of say what make it is or model it is or anything like that, but this is who it's for. We haven't actually done the conversion, we've just converted the inside and supplied the vehicle. And I'll show you inside in a minute. Rain or shine, everybody is working down here. This one is just getting ready for a customer here. So it's pouring with rain, and this is the dedicated team here. There's Dave and William. They're doing some handbrake work and some checking the brakes out and what have you on a Pipua, getting it ready for an IVA test. As I say, rain or shine, we don't stop down here. This is a lovely, what is this, a 2622, that's what this one is. I think the old presentation ain't the best because it's pouring with rain, we're all soaked. Right, so let's get back in the old Sky one and we'll have a look round that and we'll just show you what they've done. It's quite amazing really. These units are so versatile that you can, there's so many uses, just use your imagination really, but we supply the basic van and then they've converted it out. So let's go and have a look inside. Here we go. Quite handy, residential steps as usual. This one's going to have a bit of a full valet in here after we finish fiddling with it. Let's put some lights on. There they go. Put some lights on. Right, you can see this is a standard. I think this was 2650. That's what it was. This is a 2650 and we fully converted it. So as you can see, they've got some monitors here. We've left basically inside. I think they're using it as a bit of hospitality. So the inside is much the same. They've got 3 TVs and lots of sockets here. So obviously they all plug in when the game or something is going on. Right, we'll go up into the main area where everything's happening. Let's go up here, see if we put some lights on. As you can see, the bed has been taken out. Pop some lights on. Right, there you go, look at that. The bed's been taken out. This is the bedroom, this was. So you can see the sort of electronics and stuff that's been put in here. Looks like a full mixing desk. As I say, all the TVs, everything there. And this is where it all happens, folks. If you watch TV, like football on TV, this is where it all happens. As I say, you wouldn't want a wiring fault in that lot, would you? Look at that. It looks bloody complicated to me. But this has all been put in a Rockwood. I say such versatile units these are. So this was the bedroom, and I'll show you the bathroom. What they've done is they've made that into a bit of a stores. Again, you can see all the wiring in there. There's bloody stacks of it. I wouldn't want the job to wire it up, that's for sure. But that's what they've done in here, made this into a bit of a stores. So they've taken the toilet out, and that's come on perfect for that. So there you go, folks. That's a little job that we can do down here. If you think of anything you need converted or anything like that, we can take care of it all. Please like and subscribe to the channel. There's loads of other interesting stuff. So carry on watching, like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Over and out.